Today I'm going to show you how to take an image and create a video from it using Runway AI image to video software. So I've logged into the web to runwayml.com and I'm in the image to video editor right here. And so there are a couple of things here. First of all, you can actually do just text. We could just do a text to a video right here, or we can do an image to video. An image to video gives you a little more control because you can go into another piece of software such as MidJourney or whatever image generating software you're used to, generate an image there, and by controlling that, controlling what characters are in the image and what the setting is and everything, that's kind of like the part of the description that you'll be using, or at least the image to video generator considers that an input. And so picture's worth 1,000 words. And so you have more control doing it that way. So let's select an image here. I'm going to upload one here that I created. So I created this image in MidJourney. It's a woman standing on a street in a small town someplace. Now, there are a couple things that we can do. We could just generate this like this and see what it does. And I always like to try a minimal approach to see kind of what the AI will do first. And then if it's going the direction that I want, I might just keep the image, or I might specify more. Or if it's not going in the direction I want, I might be more specific. If you're doing image, or if you're doing text to image, you want to be much more descriptive when you start out because it's starting from nothing. If you're going from image to video, you can start out less specific. But it also gives you, if you look at the interface down here, here's the text prompt. If we click on here, here are some examples that you can use, and you can actually click on these and it will post the text up in that for you. Like, for instance, if you did realistic documentary, award-winning documentary. So this is kind of a sample start off text prompt that you could use. But what we're going to do is we're going to start with this image here. Some people, I'm going up here is where we set the model. I'm going to go with the Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. It will generate up to 10 seconds. We could do 5-second time. Some people like to do 5-second time just because it will cost less credits, because they charge you credits for each one that you do, and you only have a certain amount of credits per month, but you can buy additional credits. And some people like to test out a couple of 5-second ones first. I'm not sure that saves that much, depending on what it depends. You can experiment with it. I'm just going to go with the 10 second. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just generate this video and see what it does just with the picture. Because I already spent a lot of time writing prompts to get this picture the way that I wanted it. So let's click on generate. And we're going to play this. Let's put it to full size. And so that's pretty cool. It's actually made her turn around and look back into the camera. So it's amazing how it can tell by the subject. Now, some subject matter, it won't really have any way to guess how you want it to go. And so you may need to adjust more for certain things, but this is actually a very usable piece of video right here and now. So let's stop this, save that, and let's download that just so that I make sure I have it. Make sure you download them. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this. I'm going to add something to the prompt, and I'm going to put woman walking down the street, because she didn't really move down the street. She just turned. She was standing there. So let's see if we can make her walk down the street some by doing that. So we'll generate this one. If we look at this now, she's walking down the street. So we added some to it. So you can kind of go through these things for what you want. As you get kind of a sense of the way Runway works, you may want to save some credits by going, oh, I want her to walk down the street. Let me make sure she does that. So you can say walk down the street, look over her shoulder. You can change a lot of things on it. The good thing about creating the image first using MidJourney or another generative AI program is that you can set what the style is in it. You can get the picture perfect, and it will animate it, and you can see it did a very good job with the starting. So it set the style, kind of the angle you're initially looking at the woman at, and so it's very good. It's very well done video. So this will give you an idea. You can actually sign up for MidJourney, or not MidJourney, you can sign up for Runway and get some free credits and try it out, see if you like it. I recommend, if you're just looking at AI video, to look at a few different apps or companies and see how well they work, and also how expensive they are. And one key thing is, can you buy extra credits, which you can on Runway once you have a subscription to it, even the base subscription. So that's an advantage to it. You can kind of control it at that point and get more videos, and then you don't have the watermarks on it or anything. Also check, if you're looking at other video generators, AI video generators, check to see what the rights are, if you can use them commercially or just person or whatever, that depending on if you want to actually put them on a YouTube video or something, you want to make sure that you have commercial rights. So that's basically the way Runway works.